So in this InShot tutorial video, I'll be showing you guys how to add AI speech in a video here on InShot. So I have my video right here. If I were to go ahead and play it, there's no speech whatsoever. If you want to add some AI speech or an AI voiceover or whatever, it's very simple. Go to the bottom left here, press on audio between canvas and sticker, then go to where it says AI speech. Once you guys are here, you can go ahead and select an example. So if I were to go ahead and press powerful right here,
Hi, this is my voice tone.
it'll then go ahead and show you an example. You can go ahead and say your speech. So hello, I'll press the check mark right here. I will then press on start. Now you actually have to join InShot Pro to add this, so you can go ahead and do that. But for example, if you were to go ahead and do this right here, it'll actually go ahead and then add the AI speech right here to your video, which then you can play, press the check mark, and then it is added right here. So very simple, very straightforward. That's how you guys can add AI speech in a video here on InShot. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helps.